In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows laptop or PC. So just go to any browser, then you need to search for Mozilla Firefox, download for PC, then press enter, and then you need to go to this link www.mozilla.org. Just click on it, and I will also give this link in the description. So once you come to this link, you will see this option, download Mozilla Firefox for Windows, and this download now button. Just click on download now and it will download a exe file. Over here you can see Firefox installer.exe. So right now we just need to double click on this exe file, then give a permission, yes. Then you need to click on install, and there you can see now installing. So it will take a few minutes to install. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see the installation is successful. So this is how you can download and install Mozilla Firefox on your Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.